4 people have been charged in connection with an alleged firearms manufacturing ring on the New South Wales-Australian Capital Territory border, following a major investigation by Strike Force Calpe. On March 4, 2025, police executed search warrants in Queanbeyan, Gundaroo and Nanima, seizing multiple firearms, firearm parts and large quantities of ammunition. A 60-year-old man was arrested with multiple firearms and parts at a Queanbeyan address. A 31-year-old man was taken into custody after attempting to flee from police, and a 27-year-old man was arrested with 27 registered firearms and thousands of rounds of ammunition. A 34-year-old man was also arrested with a commercial quantity of cocaine and over $26,000 in cash. This operation removed numerous illegal firearms from the streets, sending a strong message to organised crime syndicates. Investigations continue.